to find the answer for this. Let me verify. You mean did I write correctly? Yes. Okay. Who can send me the answer for this one? Can you send me the answer in question pen? So some student get, okay. Nice try. Try to give an answer. Because some student get on the test. I want to be sure that everybody knows. Here for warming up. Anybody else? Manager just gave me this message, and I promised to answer before we start this. Who need help with this? Good. Who understand this? It's easy. Put your hands down. Okay. Now I understand why you don't study this. Let's say I put it versus this one. You answer this question. This is power. It means 3 times 3 times 3, 3 times 27. And this we name tetration in math. Tetration. Tetration is very fast growth. We very seldom use this tetration in math because the function grows tremendously if you study calculus with huge derivative, because it means absolutely different. This guy. It means, see this 3 base. This one. And 3 to power 3 is 27. And 3 to power 27 is huge number, students. It's not 27, 3 to power 27. Tetration, keep in mind. In some tests they give you and you think they made mistake. No, there's not mistake. We don't practically use it too much because its function grows tremendously huge numbers. If you put 10, tetration 10, can you imagine what number is it? Somebody wrote a question here. Let's say you have 2 to power 3. Everyone knows this is 8. But if I use tetration, what is it? Is it a 3? How many times are you supposed to use it? Two to the 4 is 4. It will be 2 to the 4th. Versus. Keep in mind, tetration very important in math, and don't be confused with this guy. It's left part, base, and this is the right part. Or this one to the left, this is right. Did I answer your question? Yes. Okay. Good. Now let's go through this question. Don't be confused. Tetration power, it's absolutely different animals. Why you do the substitution? I just remind you all. Did I tell in this group about tea kettle method? Who remember, except of Theodore, I believe, 100% you remember. Who remember tea kettle method? Tea kettle, raise your hand. Nobody? Oh, it's very good philosophical approach. Pretend we have the situation. You have 2 people, physicist and mathematician. And they asked how to boil the water in tea kettle. For Europe, it's method чайника. And physicist, take tea kettle, take off lid, pour water in, put your lid back, turn on stove, put this tea kettle on the stove when he would be boiled, this water. Mathematician turned. Well, he said, we have to what? Turn off the stove, get rid of water, and return to the problem which physicists already explained how to solve. This very great philosophical concept. All your math in school, university, even Nobel Prizes, based on tea kettle method. What does that mean? Instead of creating something new, let's say you have 58 questions and just 90 minutes. Is it real to create new method? No. And you have unusual problem. What are you supposed to do? Create new method? Unreal. Think how to transform this problem to a problem you already know how to solve. And this tea kettle, look at this. This, everybody can do this. Every 7th grader. This look like weird. So instead of solving this one, I transform to problem which is easy to solve. Always remember, tea kettle method. Tea kettle. You like this approach? Everything. Think about not to solve, how to transform the problem you know. Absolutely powerful way. Now, it was number 10. If you don't have any questions, I move on to number. It's very helpful, especially for digital SAT, because in digital SAT, time frame is very important. And we solve many problems transforming by tea kettle approach. And solve it very fast. In 24, A, B, C is greater than 0. Positive. And AC greater than B squared over 4. This is given. How many times does the graph equation go the x-axis? How many times? So what is supposed to do? I multiply both part by 4. I get 4AC greater than B squared. Here I just remind you quadratic formula. X the first the second equals 2h negative b plus minus square b square minus 4ac. And we start the discriminant. Depending on the value of discriminant, you have different number of roots. How to make it kind of look like discriminant? B square minus 4ac I get 0 greater than b square minus 4ac. Which format they give you this? And this, what is it? 24. Okay. So use reflexive property of inequality. If 0 is greater, you can write the discriminant is less. If discriminant is less, what does it mean? It means the parabola never intersects x-axis. For instance, schematically, it goes like this one. Since you can take square root of negative. So it goes like this. It means they ask you how many times intersect x-axis. 0 times, because it's above. Who understand this 100% up to this point? 100. Who has questions? Good. Few students ask 25. What is 25? In 25. They give equation y equals to negative 2x minus 4 to the second plus 7. With the following statement is not true. Well, remember we did today with you. If you write canonic equation of inverted form parabola, y equals to a x minus h to the second plus k. Where h is x coordinate of vertex and y is y and k is y coordinate of vertex. Look at this. This is not vertex form at all because they put 2 here, not there. It's not vertex form. So the answer is not 4 and 7, not 4 and 7, because it's not vertex form at all. Be careful, common trick, a few second questions. So look at this multiple choice. A, this is wrong, this is not a vertex, because this is not vertex form. Who understand 100%? 100. Okay, good, good, good. Who has questions? You should ask 26. What is 26? Okay. (26). What we have in 26. In 26, we have x coordinate of solution of system x equals to 3.5 and x equal to 6. Which the following could be the system? Okay. So students, since you have limited time for this one, my suggestion you can make sketches and start from left part. Some sketches. Let's say A. It saves you time. Sketch is very important in SAT. For instance, y equals to what? X plus 3.5 and y equals to x squared plus 6. Well, you know that right here. For instance, y equals to x squared plus 6. This x squared plus 6. And this you don't need anymore. X, y equals to x is symmetrical, goes through this one. X plus 3.5, it goes over there. We don't need this anymore. And you see this line in this parabola, it never intersects. So A is not the answer. The same you can make sketch for B and for, let me see what we have for C. Make a sketch. To understand, sketch have you save the time instead of plugging in. You can see that it goes below. It's never intersect with this. Let's say B, how to make sketch. What we have in B? Y equals to x minus 7. To x minus 7. This is negative 7. Let's see. Y equals to x minus 7. I write over there. For this one. to x minus 7. And the second one is negative x minus 6. X minus 6 to the second, it means you shift it to the right. This is 6. And your parabola goes like this. Also no intersection. C. What we have for C? Also we can make a sketch. Right? And what we have for C? So we eliminated instantly these two answers. Next one. Y equals to 1 over 2x plus 3. And y equals to what? Negative x minus 5 to the second plus 7. So make a sketch. X minus 5 to the second, you shift it to the right. 5 units. Let's say this is 5. And x minus 5 to the second. And minus in front, upside down. And plus 7 is go over there. Let's say this is 7. And this, my parabolas, go somehow like this. 1 over 2x. 1 over 2x, it goes from origin, less steep than 45 degrees, and plus 3. And this parabola goes, and we have 2 points. Makes sense, we have 2 points of intersection. To be sure, if you want to check if it perfectly works, you can do this. How? For instance, you can substitute and you can make equal of these two equations. Okay. And since they give you x equals to 6, for instance, if this is 6, makes sense. This is 6. So plug in here 6. Or here. Y equals to 1 over 2 of 6 plus 3. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 3 plus 3 is 6. So since these two graphs intersect at the same point, let's plug in over there. This is y1. y2 equals to negative x equals to 6 minus 5 to the second plus 7. This would be negative 1 in front of this, plus 7 is 6. In the same manner, you can check the second row. But this, if you use sketches, you can easily make estimation which work, which not. Who understand this 100%, this one, this approach? Okay, good.